There's someone in my apartment जिसके सर में एक डेंट है.
Somebody heard noises in his rooms.
मतलब वो दरवाजे के पास में एक शैडो दिखी जैसे वो.
Maybe
Yes.
she went to dance with the ghost उसके घर के पास.
Yes. मुझे बोल रहा है कि मुझे मार देगा ये. The best time to justify my salary is go at night. कि पीछे कोई था.
पीछे कोई है.
Fairmont is 100% haunted.
Oh, there's something. White figure.
Posted an image of the kid with the bent head.
Hi everyone, we are back at Penguin India YouTube channel, and we have Amit Juneja, author of the book Night of the Blood Moon. We have Shubhra Krishnan, author of the book Soft Kill, and Devarshi Sardana, author of the book The Girl on Fire. These all others, and me including, are going to react to some of the internet scary videos. Let's see if they are boring or they are really interesting.
Or no.
Authors usually boring होते हैं, so let's see.
I know. Oh my god.
The first scary video is just our images and our.
Yes. Was the mom eating the kid or something? Was the mom eating the kid?
ऐसे लग रहा वो खुद क्यों रो रही थी?
But I think the mom is
fighting.
possessed.
I didn't hear the fight. I thought the mom only went weird and started eating.
In my book Vikram Betal, right? So Betal in my book is a Pishach. So I went to the Vedas to kind of understand what is written about the Pishach, because that is where the first mention is. So Pishaches are these demons who eat human flesh, etc. In 2003 there was a hotel room. There is no one in it. And then उधर से बहुत आवाज आ रही थी, and then they sent a security guard. I'm actually getting the facts of this because this is a real thing. वो I think Fairmont था, कहीं पर था वो.
आइए देखते हैं, मजा आएगा.
It's room 209. Amy says nobody's checked in, and there's reports of screaming coming from that room. What's going on, John?
बंदा सोच रहा है मैं क्यों काम कर रहा हूँ.
I know.
There's no one checked into
This
that
is not
room.
worth it.
There should be nobody in there.
Someone playing a prank or maybe someone.
John can enter the room real quick just to check, make sure, see what's going on. Wait one.
Okay.
Okay, Amy, John wants you to call the police right now if you don't mind. He says no one's in there, but that all of the furniture's been turned upside down and the carpet's been ripped up and the shower is on.
There's one thing they said in case you missed it.
Oh, there's someone standing by the bathroom door. I can see that.
Oh, there's something. White figure.
Fairmont is 100% haunted. We stayed
Yeah,
at a
Fairmont, I've seen a
Fairmont.
lot of-
Somebody heard noises in his rooms. We never slept
Yeah.
the entire time. We put on the radio and four of us just
shit.
slept in one room.
This is not edited क्योंकि 2003 में कोई इतना अच्छा editing tool नहीं था.
इतना
कि
था
proper
नहीं.
दिखे.
हाँ.
तो मेरे रूममेट है, he says कि उसके कॉलेज में दोस्त हैं उसके, एंड जैसे कि रूम में भूत है, जैसे कि वो लोग रात में रहते हैं, सो खिड़की बंद करते हैं, सुबह खिड़की खुली होती है और गेट बार बार खुल जाता है, अलमारी के दरवाजे अपने आप खुल जाते हैं. लाइक एयर प्रेशर भी हो सकता है, खिड़की खुल सकती है, लेकिन खिड़की स्लाइड वाली थी.
That's scary.
वो मेरे घर पे रह रहा है 1 महीने से.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर.
Really?
अच्छा
मेरे
ये
घर पे रह रहा है 1
कहानी
महीने से.
ये कहानी दी है उसने तेरे को. ताकि तेरे घर पे
लग
रहे.
रहा है गलत बोल रहा
घर पे
हूँ.
रहने के लिए. I
समझा
know.
नहीं भाई.
Okay.
So when you write this horror stuff, you don't get scared yourself. Like, are you able to sleep and all?
I sleep with my lights on. So I think in some way
There you go.
psychologically impacts me. अभी मैं होटल में रह रहा हूँ पिछले 1 हफ्ते से. Other than that, I don't believe in paranormal. Personally, I do not believe.
You should never say that I don't
आज-
believe. Then
आज
ghosts
रात को
come
एक
and
knock
prove.
करेगा कोई तेरी डोर पे.
आने वाला है जंप स्केयर.
Ayo, who's shooting this?
So that reminded me of a true story. ये तो एक illustrator है. उसका नाम है शायद Adam Ellis. He was like, there's someone in my apartment and I keep seeing this kid जिसके सर में एक dent है. So now this kid started appearing to Adam Ellis in his apartment in New York. पे वो threads post कर रहा था. This is in 2012, I believe. कि मुझे दिख रहा है ये लड़का और ये मुझे बोल रहा है कि मुझे मार देगा ये करके. And then he posted an image of the kid with the bent head. And Twitter went crazy.
Ghosts are not supposed to appear in photos.
Modern ghost है.
Oh, they can. Acha, modern
Unko,
ghosts
yeah,
can.
Photogenic ghost.
Bro,
In my book also, no, Soft Kill, it's not a horror novel, but usme there's this dude who keeps walking, like twice it happens, he's walking along a lonely, dark road, and he gets these horrific thoughts.
Interesting.
His daughter was, when her daughter, okay,
not us.
his daughter.
उसको पता नहीं था ऑथर्स इसके बाद रिव्यू करेंगे राइटिंग.
हाँ, मतलब, that's more disturbing for me. अच्छा है ना? What in the world?
नहीं, अभी स्क्रीन छोटी है.
Dylan, what's
Oh, there you go.
Oh God, is
What are
that
you
a
doing?
doll or the daughter?
Dylan, stop.
Oh
That is the. Oh shit! Look at behind.
Dylan, stop.
God.
Dylan, stop.
पहले ये बताओ इसका मेकअप किसने किया?
When you leave your kids
Today.
alone with the father.
Very close to where I live, there's Jamali Kamali, where ghosts are supposed to dance, etc.
Ghosts are supposed to
Haunted
dance. शाम का entertainment.
Listen, thanks, okay? I don't think I can sleep very well tonight.
ये पेंगुइन का यही
Oh,
इंटेंट है ताकि हम सारे रात को बैठ के अपनी किताबें खत्म करें डेडलाइन.
रात को हाँ exactly. और promote करो if nothing else. I like these videos because these are not very intentionally recorded. मतलब अगर कहीं से तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारे घर में कोई security cam footage है उसने record करा, I'd rather believe that than
Yeah.
audio.
Then या तुम कैमरा लेके घूम रहे हो. It reminds me of so in my first book, The Girl in the Glass Case, I used a mother-son angle. So रात को kid is in bed and she's like, "Tum so jao." Kid is like, "I'm afraid of ghosts and there's a monster underneath my bed." She goes out. Suddenly she hears something, goes in the room. Kid suddenly screams and is like, "Oh, there's a monster underneath my bed." So the readers know there is actually a serial killer who kidnaps kids. Finally, the kid is like, "Look underneath the bed." She looks and he's not there.
Wow.
And now the readers are like, कहाँ गया? Right? था तो सही.
Bye.
All right. Nice
Thank
talking to
you.
you.
Great meeting you, Shubhra.
Yes, likewise. Bye. Be scared. Be
Bye.
very, very scared.
I'm really sorry that Shubhra left because some of the videos she didn't want to see, especially the last Karkaduma one, because she said it's really close to her home.
Maybe
Yes.
she went to dance with the ghost उसके घर के पास.
Yes. चला इससे ज़्यादा देखा अब मेरे घर में आ जाएगा.
यहाँ पे लिखा भी है I want a will. वाह. वहाँ पे कुछ है.
वहाँ पे वहाँ मतलब वो दरवाजे के पास में एक शैडो दिखी जैसे कोई खड़ा हुआ है वहाँ पे. This was scary because this did not come out recently. This is like pre-ChatGPT era.
11 years
like
ago.
around the time ChatGPT was out. But
11
so like
years ago.
editing तो नहीं थी definitely videos की और मतलब either someone just really wanted to prove that the court is haunted or there's actually very haunted.
That is a wrap with us. So it's been a very great ride with Amit and Devashish and sadly Shubhra left. So guys, please do check out their book. It's out now wherever books are sold. And please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our Penguin YouTube channel. And see you next time. Bye.
Right.